8 tips to evaluate your content marketing results. There are a number of ways to evaluate your content marketing results to determine which content is most successful. Once you have this information, you can use it to plan your editorial calendar and the future content you wish to publish. Check your traffic logs. You should check your traffic logs to see which pages contain your most popular content. The results might be surprising. You never know what's going to resonate with your target audience, but once you do, you can create similar content. You can even repurpose the content to turn it into different formats, update it, and move content around to make it even better. Check your keywords. In your traffic logs, look at the keywords that are driving traffic to your site. Again, the results may surprise you. Once you see the keywords you are ranking highly on, try to produce similar content to keep readers coming back for more. You can also take your best articles and rewrite them using different keywords. Your number of subscribers. Email marketing is one of the most important forms of content marketing. It helps build a relationship with your target audience and it enables you to make sales more easily through the trust that is built. Create more than one offer that will encourage people to subscribe. Check which offer entices the most subscribers. Your email marketing results. Check the logs in your email marketing service to see which emails are getting opened most. Also, follow through to see if they are taking action in the email, such as clicking on certain links to visit a page, or perhaps read more content, or to make a purchase. Keep track of your open rates and your best subject lines. Edit and reuse the subject lines as needed. Plan your editorial calendar. Be consistent with your blog or site content creation and your email marketing. Make sure you contact your readers and subscribers often and give them interesting content so they will look forward to hearing more from you. Track the success of each new piece of content. Create a range of content. When planning the calendar, make sure you create a range of content and track results. Then do more of what works well. Try checklist, hints, tips, frequently asked questions or FAQs, images, memes, infographics, PowerPoint presentations, and of course, videos. Post the content or links to it on social media sites and on your own site. Track your social media metrics. Track likes, shares, comments, and similar interactions at the various social networks you and your audience frequent. Upload your videos to YouTube and check your channel statistics. Look at likes and shares. You can allow comments if you wish, but make sure you moderate them. Track your pay-per-click results. PPC does cost money, but you can drive a lot of traffic to your site very quickly. Facebook and Twitter offer highly targeted opportunities to market to your niche audience. Measure your click-through rate and any subscribers and sales from your ads. Your metrics are like your rear-view mirror of what has happened, but you can use the information you glean in order to plan more great content.